Okay, we're going to do a little acoustic version of You Get What You Give by the New Radicals. Gregg Alexander, great song. Got the guitar tuned down a step just to give it an attempt to sing this thing. And then this is kind of an option here for the intro.
Wake up, kids, you got the dreamer's disease. Age 14, they got you down on your knees. So polite, you're busy still saying please. Frenemies when you're down at your friend. Every night we smash a Mercedes-Benz. First we run, then we laugh till we cry. One dance left, this world is gonna pull through. Don't give up, you got a reason to live. Can't forget, we only get what we give. Yeah. Coming home, baby. Your tops, give it to me now. 4 a.m. we ran a miracle mile. We're flat broke, but hey, we do it in style. The man rich got flying in for your trial. But when the night is falling, you cannot find a friend. You feel your trees breaking, despair. You got the music in you. Don't go, you got the music in you. One dance left, this world is gonna pull through. Don't give up, you got a reason to live. Can't forget, we only get what we give. Yeah. This whole damn world can fall apart. You'll be okay. Follow your heart, you're in harm's way. I'm right behind, and say you're mine. Say you're mine. You got the music in you. Don't let go, you got the music in you. One dance left, this world is gonna pull through. Don't give up, you got a reason to live. Can't forget, we only get what we give. Don't let go, I feel the music in you. Yo, yo, yo. Fly, yeah. But you will, can't die. You only get what you give. You're gonna get what you give. Just don't be afraid to leave. Health insurance, we both flying. FDA, big bankers buying. You got some dining pony while we multiplying. Fashion shoes, Beckon Hansen, Courtney Love, Marilyn Manson. Your old fakes go to your mansions. Come around, we'll kick your ass in. Don't let go. One dance left. Ah, don't give up. Can't forget, we only get what we give.
A lot of words. Good luck with that one. Pretty cool. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment.